Hi Tim, my name is Miss Shayla. I spoke with you on the phone today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video that's going to go over your website with you, show you how to format it to where you can get more leads from just your website alone, as well as discuss your overall online presence with you. So to get started, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important aspect, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So this area here would count. Got a little bit here and here for your featured services. And that's about it. So not a lot of content. Let me give you an example and tell you why content is so important, okay? Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So knowing that, every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds content-rich sites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. You could be at ranking number 25 for a specific Google search, and immediately jump to number 15. Like, it has massive growth and probably the biggest jumps in organic movement of your website. With that said, on every additional service page that you offer, we typically recommend that you have between 750 to 1,000 words of content on your homepage alone, as well as make sure that each of these services has their own page. Doing that will do a few things for you. Number one, it adds content to your website, right? And number two, we get to add specific keywords for those services to allow Google to point back to your site on multiple searches. So anytime someone looks up carpet cleaning services in your area, it'll then be able to take us to the carpet section of your page. Google will be able to specifically point people to that page of your website, and they'll be able to find what they're looking for. We also recommend that your homepage have a ton of content, and we do this for two reasons as well. We recommend between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content. That's going to be based on just the research I've done on some of the competitors in the Charlotte area. And doing so is going to allow you to outrank your competitors in content, which we know is one of the biggest factors for organic movement of your website, as well as allow Google to find you whenever it does that sweep of the internet. So definitely getting about 1,500 words of content on your homepage, as well as 750 words on every additional service page, whether it be residential or commercial. Break it out into its own specific page. It's going to add content to your site and allow you to be unstoppable and rank highest for content within your area. Next, I want to draw your attention to this. This is called Ahrefs, and it brings me to just an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're not getting a ton of traffic to our website, right? Partly because we're not ranking for any keywords. So what is a keyword? A keyword is anything that somebody types into the Google search bar. So carpet cleaning, Huntersville, North Carolina would be a good keyword for you to put in the text for your carpet cleaning business, as well as some others that I can show you. So getting those keywords and other searchable terms that people search a lot in your area for the services that you offer on the web page or on your web pages is going to allow you to be found for those searches and be seen and more visible to people. Next, I want to draw your attention to this UR and DR. We should have two numbers here, and in doing so, I'll tell you a little bit about what their ratings mean and why they're important. This UR is directly related to citations, and a citation, if I come back here to a Google search, the very first thing that pops up is this GMB or the Google Maps. And citations are how we rank for these top three positions. So from the get-go, these top three competitors are going to get the most business just based on visibility alone, which is what every small business owner wants, right? We want our information to be in front of and exposed to as many people as possible. So a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. Getting our name and information on more of those directories are going to boost our way up this GMB. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has, to know how many you would need to beat them and to secure that top position, which I'm more than happy to go over with you if you want to discuss that further. So upon getting a top position here, you're going to drive this UR number up. Next, let's talk about DR. DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains, which I see you don't have a lot of here, and I'll tell you why these are important. A backlink is anywhere that your business's website is clickable and visible on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. And the more of those high traffic websites that we have host our website backlink is going to throw a lot of that influence back to our website. And the more influence we have pointing back to us, the higher this DR. So people who are ranking high, getting the most business in your area, I'm talking upwards of 100 or more traffic to their website every month, have high UR, high DR, high keywords, and in doing so, have high traffic. So Tim, I hope this was a good information for you. That's all I have for you tonight. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But for now, that's all I have. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will be in touch soon. Bye-bye.